what we hear consistently from our clients is they want to know with confidence that we're going to be able to deliver on our promises. Our clients usually have the same concerns. They are facing component shortages, manufacturing shortages, especially with a lot of uncertainty and volatility in the marketplace. One of the great solutions that Best Buy provides is taking that uncertainty, understanding what are your pain points, where are your goals, what is your future plans, and then taking that information and building an end-to-end supply chain strategy, being your strategic partner. We work all the way with our vendors upstream to understand what is the manufacturing, the life cycle of a product, how do we bring that product in, do we warehouse it for you, how do we deliver it to you in the right time in the right areas of the country, and then even go so far to install it or deliver it as you need fit. My team is really focused on what we call demand planning. So really working to understand what are future sales forecasts, and then how do we meet a end-to-end inventory strategy to support that. So often we're planning not only for what the client's asking for, but what else could happen. Could be component shortages, could be a life cycle of a product that is no longer being made. That's when we start putting into play of how do we work within our vast network. We've got some of the strongest partnerships with the largest vendors, the largest carrier network out there. Plus, we've got 50 plus warehouses across the country and over 900 stores that we'll utilize to try to solve those and fill in those gaps. We figure out the complexity behind the scenes and just make sure the product shows up in the right place at the right time. We'd love to hear from you. If you're looking for tech solutions, supply chain solutions, please reach out to us to learn more.